Hello everyone, today I'll be representing my System Task 2 project. Today I'll be discussing the introduction, so describing my project, and then 2 I'll be representing my role, so my contributions to the project. 3 I'll be discussing the search engine optimization, and then 4 I'll be discussing the website subject, so how we created it and what was the idea. 1. The prototype. So our prototype is shown in the form of a website where we present a service that demonstrates the remake and restoration and duplication of jewelry for our clients, and we have defined it as a service where we can book in with our clients and have consultations. So our SMART goals that we have decided on our website is to sell our service, promote our site, navigate through our website comfortably, encourage people to be more sustainable, so be more aware of the environment, and more visibility of our name/site with the word search bar on Google, so that is lesson related, which will be discussed later. And our website gives the colours of white, black, beige and grass green to aim towards the idea of elegance, modernity and being playful, as you can see in the video I'm showing you. With green, though, it seemed out of place. Well, with the green, it has been defined as relying on the meaning environment, friendly, and growth, which can be associated with the growing generation along with new beginnings of jewelry. As you can clearly see here in the website, we have all used the colour theory, which done by our designer Emma. She has done a colour palette, which gives a cool tone within the website, which we have went through with. 2. My role. So I'll be discussing what I have done within the group project. So my role in the team is mainly the photographer and editing the website itself. I have relied on my experience with cameras to photograph and have modelled the types of jewelry I have taken. This photograph you can see here has been photographed with 2 images where you can see. I have cut out bad sides of the images themselves due to parts of it being blurry, and I tend to rub them out and have zoomed in to get the fine little details, as you can see here. The small parts of the photos here are very crucial due to them having been fine detailed, and the website is being professional, meaning no mistakes can be made in the photos. As you can see here, I am rubbing out slightly using portion sizes and everything like that to make sure all areas have been covered and they have been rubbed out to make sure the photograph is has more better quality. I've also videoed, as you can see here, where I've used my own footage of recording 2 of our models, which is both of one of the team, Zenny and Esprit. And I've also used some of my own photographs at home, as you can see here with the plate of the gold bracelet, which is a nice touch. These are my own photographs here, as you can see right here, and I've also edited as well. An example of this with the tray that is used in the website would be here. So as you can see, I have used normal apps and stuff to edit the photos to make them more warm. So I have changed the highlights, shadows, contrast and stuff. And here you can see I've experimented with Photoshop. At first I tried to experiment with this, but consider I'm using an iPad for editing photos because I'm mainly better at that using a laptop. It wasn't really working for me, so I scrapped the idea and went to normal apps. And here is an example of the end result using apps to make warm colours to match the website itself. Here's another video that I did myself as well using Esprit. Me and the other photographer had also researched the types of photographs we wanted, which involved the interaction between people and jewelry, and how we wanted the photographs to be more warm, as you can see in our research mainly. We also researched how jewelry could be modelled by itself to make it appealing to the audience. Also down below in the About section, I also edited some text made a section in the website for our team's jobs and fixed some navigation that was from the original template itself that we chose, and tested the website to ensure all the videos and photographs loaded and worked, which they all did. CEO, which identifies as the search engine optimization. So this is defined as the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic, which is the number of people accessing the site through search or web page from search engines that send data. So we have incorporated the website hashtags using words like Curio, headings like jewelry restoration, services, booking, consultations, transformations, and also customizations/care. 4. The website subject. Defining our website project was difficult at first, but coming up with our idea, we decided to go with jewelry because everyone in our assigned group was wearing jewelry and a part of us had our own story as to why we wore jewelry. We then came up with what our website could do, and we defined it as the website becoming a service rather than an online market because we thought as a group a service would be more practical. Using other websites as inspiration and rarity in our subject of the website, we studied that we should be a website or jewelry restoration and replication, when originally it was just restoration, but due to the amount of demand, replication would also be better, considering many families face difficulties of splitting heirlooms and that everyone wants. We created our website through Wix. In doing that, we created a template that we all favoured and went from there. Doing this, we created it of our own service to when we tested it. We clicked preview to also ensure the videos, photographs, animations, and navigation had worked, evaluating this site and myself, editing along with others. Thank you for listening.